In this video, you'll be learning how to remove someone from Telegram group. But just before we head straight into the video, perhaps you might consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent uploads as we upload videos regularly. And also find this video helpful, do not hesitate to also give us a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section about the video. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So we have the Telegram app and you want to go straight for the group. You have to be a member. You're not just a member, but you have to be the admin. You have to be an administrator in the group for you to initiate the removal. So you want to go straight to the group, and I'll be using this group, and you just get to click on the name of the group here on the top over there, and you can find these three dots in the you can find the pen icon on the top just above the name of the group. So you click on that and you want to scroll down where it says members and click on members, and you can see you can find all members here. So what you want to do now is to click on the three dots adjacent to anybody you want to remove. So let's say, for example, I want to remove Georgina. So what I just need to do is to click on the three button opposite Georgina at the front of, just standing at the front of Georgina there to the right hand side. So you just click on that, and as you can see it says remove from group. The moment you click on remove from group, automatically the person is kicked out of the group. So this is how you get to remove someone from Telegram group. I believe you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also smash the like button. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I look forward to seeing other videos. Bye for now.